Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl again, Rebs, and if you're just joining me for the first time, hi, my name is Rebs and I am a skincare formulator. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so very much for stopping by again. So guys, today I am going to be talking about the famous yellow sisi oil. I know you must have heard about this yellow sisi oil, but guys, it's super amazing. It's lovely on the skin. It gives this yellowish undertone. It's a beautiful oil to incorporate as well into your routine, as well as sell it. It's sellable. It's a beautiful oil, guys. So I'm going to be showing you how you can make this particular oil, and you know how we do it on this channel. Grab a pen and paper and let's write down the recipe. So before we go on, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please smash that subscribe button, like and share this video. Put on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video, okay? So like I said, grab a pen and paper and let's write down the recipe for this yellow CC. Okay, so the first thing we are going to be using for the yellow CC oil is pigment dust. Yes, pigment dust, we all know that it's a very good serum. It's a Cameroon serum. Yeah, Cameroon serum, I guess. It's very good, especially when you are adding it into any of your creams, your lotions. It's very good for the skin. It gives this yellowish undertone, so this is going to be serving as one of the base in this recipe. Okay, so the next thing we are going to be adding is Nature's Secret oil. Sorry, for pigment dust, we'll be adding just one bottle, like one bottle of the serum. And then for the Nature's Secret oil, Nature's Secret, we're going to be using just one Nature's Secret oil. We're using just one. Then we're going to be using this Vit Gold kojic acid oil. This is what it looks like. So we are going to be adding this one, 25 ml of it, into the oil. Okay, so moving on to the next one, we're going to be adding the raw Egyptian oil. Now this raw Egyptian oil, I'm not talking about talking oil. I am talking about the raw Egyptian oil. Okay, there's a difference. Not the Egyptian talking oil, the raw Egyptian oil. Okay, so and we are going to be using 125 ml of that. Okay, so moving on to the next thing, we are going to be using body white oil. This is what it looks like. Yes, that's what body white oil looks like. And body white oil, we're going to be using 60 ml of that. Moving on to the next one, we also have Vit Gold Multivitamin Oil. Now these oils I'm mentioning, guys, they are really perfect for moisturizing the skin. Like, these are very good moisturizing oils, like the likes of Nature's Secret oil, the Vit Gold kojic acid oil. You know, these are very good oils that you can use to moisturize your skin. So I will be using this as our base. Okay, so the next one that we're going to be using, adding to this recipe, is the Vit Gold coconut whitening oil. Okay, the Vit Gold coconut whitening oil, and we're going to be using 15 ml of that. Now moving on to the next one, we're going to be using Collagen extra serum. This is what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. So we'll be adding just one of that. Okay, so the next one we're going to be adding, okay, like I used to say, whenever you are making whitening products, please always make sure you are adding anti-reaction ingredients into it. Okay, this is because we don't want any reaction on the skin. We don't want stretch marks. We don't want green veins and stuff like that. So I'm going to be listing out some things that you're going to add as well. So in order to prevent that, we're going to be adding this stretch mark ampoules into it. Okay, so this is what stretch mark ampoules looks like, and also that's what the injection, the way the injection inside looks like. So we are going to be using 2 of that injection, the way it is in the picture. We're going to be using just 2 of that. And then the next one we are going to be using is the 7 days perfector serum. We're going to be using the 7 days perfector serum, guys. So we'll be using just one. Then another thing we'll be adding to the products to make sure that it doesn't react on the skin, it doesn't give stretch mark or green veins, is our Shenic Perfect Legs. Okay, now Shenic Perfect Legs comes in two types. We have the green one and the blue one, so you're going to be going in with the blue one, okay, and not the green one. You can use the blue one and not the green one. Okay, so that's that. So the next one we are going to be adding is Propelling Glycol. I can't make any product without making use of Propelling Glycol. Propelling Glycol, guys, is really superb. With it helps the product to penetrate deep into the skin. Okay, so to the dermis, okay, of your skin. The middle layer of your skin is the dermis. Okay, so it helps product penetrate even as deep as the dermis area of your skin. So and for the propylene glycol, we're going to be using 10 ml of that. Okay, so the next thing we are going to be adding, which is also optional, is fragrance. Okay, you can it's optional. Okay, you can decide to use that, or you can decide to go in with any very good essential oil. Okay, but the essential oil I will recommend is rose extract. Okay, rose extract essential oil. Okay, you can use that. Gives a very beautiful smell. It can serve as your fragrance as well as serve as fighting properties that helps to protect your skin from different skin issues. Okay, so that is that for making this yellow cc oil. These are the recipes that you can use to make this yellow cc oil. So that's that for the oil, for the recipe, for the ingredients we're going to be using for this recipe. You really need to try this out. When you have gotten all these things, you just pour them all in together and you use your hand mixer, okay, so that it can incorporate very well, blend in very well. You mix before you package. Okay, trust me guys, this particular recipe is the bomb. And yes, of course, you can sell it. It is sellable. Okay, so guys, that's all we're going to be talking about today. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button and like and share this video. Put on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, so thank you so very much for stopping by. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. I will definitely reply to your comments. So thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.